Yawning right in the middle of a heavy workout, even though you aren't tired? Your brain isn't bored. It is literally overheating. This mechanical reflex is a biological thermal vent. Your brain acts just like a high-performance computer processor. When it works incredibly hard, or the environment gets too warm, it generates physical heat. A deep yawn forcefully draws in a massive wave of cool ambient air. Simultaneously, it severely stretches your jaw muscles to mechanically pump cooler blood directly up to your skull to rapidly lower the internal temperature. Think of a heavy, high-end computer server. If the internal motherboard gets too hot, the cooling fans suddenly kick into overdrive, pulling in fresh air from the outside to prevent a system crash. Your yawning reflex is exactly the biological version of those cooling fans. When your internal temperature rises even a fraction of a degree, your cognitive function heavily slows down. You will quickly feel a wave of sudden brain fog and a heavy lethargic pressure behind your eyes that makes focusing on your screen incredibly difficult. To manually bypass your internal fans, skip the extra cup of hot coffee. Instead, hold an ice-cold glass of water directly against the side of your neck for 30 seconds. This physically chills the blood flowing to your brain, instantly dropping your temperature so you never catch yourself.